Today we upgraded a customer's power from 200 amps to 400 amps. Let's talk about electrical power and see if your home is a candidate for an electrical service upgrade and walk through an upgrade to 400 amps. While most single-family homes require 100 to 200 amps, some factors may help determine whether you should get your home's electrical power evaluated. If you're interested in a sauna, a pool, a hot tub, or an EV charger, or even changing over from your old fossil fuels to electric cooking equipment, electric space heating, then you may want to have your home evaluated or give us a call. This installation is showing a multifamily home powering 2 units. The existing 200 amp service couldn't handle the new heating and AC along with the other modern appliances. Here you see our technicians working on the new electrical panels, cutting in all the home's existing circuits and wiring into the new panels. Once that's completed, we install all brand new circuit breakers for each individual circuit along with the whole home surge protection. Every circuit is identified and properly labeled. Here we see the team working on the exterior wiring, installing the new meter banks with main disconnects for each unit. Once those are up and in place, the team then starts working on the service riser, piping and wiring, which connects your home's electricity to the utility power on the street. Once all the wires are landed and connected, everything gets buttoned up, labeled, then it's time to clean and restore power to the home. If you'd like to get your electrical power evaluated, we would love to help. Message us or book online today.